In this video I will show you how to fix moisture detected error on Samsung Galaxy phones. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell button to be updated with our latest upload. This issue is caused mainly when the device is in contact with water and some of it got into the charging port. However, after you clean and dry your phone, the moisture detected error still appear and you won't be able to charge your phone. To fix it, just follow these steps. Go to Settings. Scroll down. Select Apps. Then tap on this Filter and Sort button. Enable Show System Apps. Tap OK. Scroll down and look for USB settings. Tap on Storage. Then click Clear Cache and Clear Data. After that, the moisture detected error is now gone and you'll be able to charge your phone back. For more how-to tutorials, please subscribe or click our other videos to keep on watching.